Can you find x? We are solving the equation 4 to the x times 4 to the x equals 256. We'll move step by step with quick visual cues. Step 1. When you multiply powers with the same base, you add exponents. So 4 to the x times 4 to the x becomes 4 to the 2x. Step 2. Write 256 as a power of 4. 4 to the 1 is 4, 4 squared is 16, 4 cubed is 64, and 4 to the 4th is 256. So we can rewrite the equation as 4 to the 2x equals 4 to the 4th. Step 3. The bases are the same, so set the exponents equal. 2x equals 4. Step 4. Divide both sides by 2 to isolate x. So x equals 2. Quick check. 4 to the 2 times 4 to the 2 equals 16 times 16, which is 256. The answer is confirmed. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make math simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.